Me and my band of sons, we stand in front of the clans that we ran with once, chanting the anthem of a champion. Yeah, you knew God's plan for us. You said that's a candy, such can't be done, so you left us stranded. But thanks for your abandonment. You're gonna learn some manners. You're gonna man up and eat this manna. Cause we'll cram these commandments to the jam and speech and grammar. I got a feeling by the minute that I'm fish spitting, the vision of God's gonna get in. So if you win this with us, get your hands in the air. Come on.
AM to PM.
Why we lift them up?
They like, you can't see him.
Why you lift them up?
Restless, stressing, blood.
I'ma lift them up.
In him, I do trust.
Why we lift them up?
Got me, AM to PM.
That's why we lift them up.
They like, you can't see him.
Why you lift them up?
Restless, stressing, blood.
I'ma lift them up.
In him, I do trust.
Why we lift them up?
Every day we be stressing and looking for a way out. Don't be forgetting his blessings and treasures stored in his house. So I hope to show the world that Mr. Lucifer came to hunt us like poker. Don't play games with life you're living. Go downtown all out in the Civic. Like it's any minute, money more, add him in the mo. Many men might hit him down in a minute. Time out, I know you wanna wild out. Just chill, kinda like a popsicle. Devil wanna laugh at you, get you in a hostile mood and bruised in the hospital.
Sometimes life gets down on the little dudes, make you feel pitiful, like spit on you, it's not hospitable. You jacked up, what's wrong? Cat got your tongue and got sent to the hospitable. You'll see, we'll be the baddest players like gladiators. Way back, they slayed the king lion to bring Zion. Stayed out 3 days, I came back to say that I am, and that I am just like him, immortal. In a sense, I'm invincible. It's the principle of a spirit, do be insensible.
AM to PM.
Why we lift them up?
They like, you can't see him.
Why you lift them up?
Restless, stressing, blood.
I'ma lift them up.
In him, I do trust.
Why we lift them up?
Got me, AM to
That's
PM.
why we lift them up.
They like, you can't see him.
Why you lift them up?
Restless, stressing, blood.
I'ma lift them up.
In him, I do
Why we
trust.
lift them up?
Time's getting harder, but we stay marching as martyrs. Christ bloodshed on his body to show us he loved us. That's gorgeous. Keep your flesh under subjection. In his voice you will hear it. And his love could be cookies, the way he intimate in spirit. Feeling so low cause I rolled in his gimmick. Spit about 50 really city with the lyrics. I know I told ya, I'm a soldier, but I can't think straight. My mind sober, clouds in the grays, ancient days. Fill me in praise, gotta get away from the beast in his belly. So I be yelling, God help me through the beat, I be yelling.
Murk me? Yeah, that's a bunch of baloney. You turkeys don't even know my God roast beef. When life's circling in, it stirs up the fear. But I'm certain I've been able to work it with prayer. Imagine this, a dude behind you with a group of guys who will pulverize you. What would I do? I ran gun over the bullets with a silver lining. Man, I'ma take off, praise for the great Lord. Race saw, escape in a race car. Try to kick a rich like hacky sack, but I survived when I'm stabbed in the back.
AM to PM.
Why we lift them up?
They like, you can't see him.
Why you lift them up?
Restless, stressing, blood.
I'ma lift them up.
In him, I do trust.
Why we lift them up?
Got me, AM to
That's
PM.
why we lift them up.
They like, you can't see him.
Why you lift them up?
Restless, stressing, blood.
I'ma lift them up.